How's it going, guys? My name is Tavarish, and today... So we're starting the day off in sunny Florida, and man, I love it here. It is a great day, but it's not going to end there because I unfortunately have to travel to cold New Jersey, and I believe it's like a high of 20 and a low of... So the reason why I'm traveling to New Jersey is so I can drive a car I've never actually got the chance to even sit in for more than 5 minutes. So it has lots of cylinders, lots of horsepower, and it should be lots of fun. So let's go to the airport. Oh my God, that is super sketchy. Welcome to Florida, everybody. All right, we are past security, and it helps when you get TSA PreCheck. Now, I was randomly selected. I don't know why. You know, maybe it really is random. But right now, I'm just gonna get something to eat, and then we go on the plane. We made it. I can't wait to see the car. I've arranged to have the car pick me up from the airport, so this is the first time I've ever had that happen. A little nervous. Oh yeah. No, it's not this. It is that. Oh snap. This is awesome. It is cold. It's nice in here though. Whew. This is pretty cool. How do I turn the radio down? All right. So this is an E60 BMW M5, and I am so excited to drive it because I've never driven one of these before. So I think I just put it in drive here. It's just to the right. All right, so this has an SMG transmission. It doesn't have a regular automatic. It has a single clutch automated manual, and I'll go more into detail about that. But it feels really nice. It feels really well put together. And the best part about this car is it has a lot of power. I mean, a lot. This is a 500 horsepower, well, 507 horsepower V10, naturally aspirated V10, and it makes a hell of a noise. So we'll check that out. All right, so we're finally getting on the highway. My first time in an E60 M5. Let's see how she does. That is not bad. That is really, really not bad. I wanna see what full throttle is like. Do a quick downshift. It blips the throttle. Let's go to second. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. So actually, after that first pull, I realized that there's a button called power, and I pressed it. So we're gonna see what that's like. Oh boy. All right. Okay, that's power. man. So I think I need to buy one of these cars. I didn't actually buy this one. I know I might have made it look like I did, but yeah, I didn't. I rented it. Yep, I actually got this awesome E60 M5 from a site called Turo. And you guys have known about Turo for a while if you've been following my channel, but if you're new, then Turo is like an Airbnb for cars. Basically, awesome people with awesome cars rent them out to people that are looking for awesome cars to have awesome experiences. Link in the description below. So I'm here in New Jersey visiting my parents for the next 5 days, and for all of those 5 days, I'm gonna have this car as if it were my own. And just like I would do on my own car, I'm gonna have car adventures. I'm gonna meet up with car people, and I hope you guys go along for the ride. But for now, I wanna go over some of the features that make this car freaking sweet. First of all, any car that has a 200-mile-an-hour speedometer is okay in my book. Another thing that's really cool about this car is if you look closely, right there, you can see a heads-up display right there. That is awesome. I've never actually driven a car with a heads-up display, but that has mile an hour and your RPM. We're gonna try to get it into that orange-red area right there where my blurry finger is. This car also has the standard stuff like dual zone automatic climate control. I don't really care about that. CD changer, I really don't care about that. And what's this? All right, that's an ashtray. Okay, we don't smoke. We have heated seats. That's kind of cool. Here's the key. Hope I don't forget that. Here is the most important part of the car, and I did find out about this button a little after I did that first pull. But I'm really excited that this button is here because it's never getting shut off. Moving down, we have the DSC off button. I'm not pressing that just because it's a 500 horsepower car. It's really cold. I don't know what these tires are like, and also if black ice is a thing, then I don't want my pants to get ruined. So we're gonna leave that on. We have EDC, that's, I don't know what that is. There are 2 modes for that. That's probably some sort of dynamic stability something. But the second most important bit of this whole car, or the whole dynamic M driving experience, is with this button right here. So this controls the ferocity of the shifts. There are 5 settings right here. So we can put it down for driving Miss Daisy mode, and we can put it up for pants on fire. I have to get to the bomb before it explodes mode. So that's probably where we're gonna be. So just in case, I'm gonna press this button a bunch of times. And then we have this, which is basically an abomination. So yeah, that's the car. Now a quick tip for anybody that doesn't know anything about E60 M5s, you guys can press one button and have the car be on its most ferocious setting, and that is pressing this button right here. That is the M button. So when you press this, it goes into, you can see that right there, goes to MDM, and that means M dynamic mode, and there's another M right there just in case you forgot about the first one. So that should be pretty cool. So we have M mode, M dynamic mode, we have the power, and we have the EDC to set to level 2, and the ferocity all the way up. This should be a fun car indeed. So I'm in M dynamic mode. I have all my power settings to the max, and I'm in stop and go traffic. And this car does not like this one bit. Oh, hey, we're doing 11 miles an hour. And we hit some potholes. Ah, oh, jeez. Guess it's the reality of driving an M5 in New Jersey. Yay. You know what this feels like? It feels like you have a supercar that has a full tank of gas, but all the tires are flat. Why are there so many people here? Why don't you move somewhere where there's not so many people and more cows? Well, I got up to 3,500 there. That's baby steps, baby steps. Oh, brake. So that didn't exactly work out the way I wanted it to, but yeah, this place is a lot more population dense than I remember. Yeah, maybe my memory's failing, but today was a win. I got this awesome car for the next 5 days, and for the next 5 days we're gonna have some really cool adventures. Now right now I don't really want to take it out and rag it just because it started raining and it's really cold. It is actually like 20 degrees, and it's not my car. Honestly, I don't do really stupid stuff with other people's cars. Shout out to George, who is the owner of this awesome M5. The car is really clean. You can actually rent this. You can actually rent this exact car if you're in the Newark, New York, New Jersey area, and he will deliver it to you. He delivered it to me. I was in the Newark Liberty International Airport, and it was a very good experience. He just delivered it to me like you would deliver anything directly to the terminal. So that was a lot of fun. So big shout out to him, and I'll see you guys next time.